This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a professional before making investment decisions. Hey everyone, and welcome back to CG Money 24/7. We're so glad you're here, whether you're a total beginner or just looking to brush up on your financial skills. This is the perfect place to start your journey toward building wealth and understanding how money can work for you. Today, we're diving into something super important: investing. If you've ever wondered how people grow their money or what it really means to invest, you're in the right spot. Investing isn't just for the wealthy or financial experts, it's for everyone, including you. Don't worry, you don't need a ton of money to get started. In fact, you might be surprised at how accessible investing can be. Even if you're on a tight budget or just starting your first job, you can actually begin your investing journey with just $120. That's right, no need for thousands in the bank or fancy financial degrees. Just a little more than $100 can set you on the path to financial freedom. That small amount could be the first step toward reaching your biggest goals, like buying a car, traveling, or even retiring comfortably one day. Now I know investing might seem intimidating at first. All those numbers, charts, and financial terms can feel overwhelming. But trust me, it's easier than you think, and you don't have to figure it out alone. We're going to break everything down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. By the end, you'll feel confident and ready to start growing your money, no matter your experience level. No more feeling lost or confused. This video is designed to empower you. You'll learn the basics, get practical tips, and see just how achievable investing really is. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future and start making your money work for you? Let's dive in and unlock the world of investing together. You might be thinking, why bother with just $120? It might not seem like much at first glance, and you may wonder if it can really make a difference. But the truth is, getting started is the most important step, no matter how small the amount. Here's the thing, it's not about the amount, it's about building the habit. When you start with $120, you're creating a foundation for your financial journey. It's about setting a goal, making a plan, and sticking to it, even if the numbers seem small at first. Even small amounts, invested consistently over time, can grow more than you think thanks to the power of compound interest. Every dollar you put in has the potential to multiply, and the earlier you start, the more time your money has to work for you. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets bigger and bigger. That's exactly how your savings can grow, slowly at first, then faster as time goes on. That's kind of how compound interest works. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns even more interest, and so on. Over the years, this effect can turn a small start into something much bigger than you ever expected. It's like magic, but with money. Watching your savings grow can be incredibly motivating, and it all begins with that first step. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Starting now gives you a head start, and even small contributions can add up to something significant over time. Plus, starting small lets you dip your toes into the water without risking a lot of money. It's a safe way to learn, experiment, and get comfortable with investing. You can learn as you go and gain confidence along the way. Remember, every big journey begins with a single step, and your $120 could be the start of something much bigger. Now let's talk about where you can put that $120 to work. If you're just starting out, it's important to know that you don't need a lot of money or experience to begin investing. There are plenty of beginner-friendly options that can help you grow your savings over time, even if you're only able to set aside a small amount each month. There are a few simple options that are perfect for beginners. These choices are designed to be easy to understand, low in risk, and accessible to almost everyone. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, building an emergency fund, or just curious about how investing works, these options can help you get started on the right foot. First up, we have high-yield savings accounts. These are like regular savings accounts, but they offer a higher interest rate, which means your money grows faster. It's a safe and easy way to start earning a little extra on your cash. Many online banks offer these accounts with no monthly fees and low minimum balances, making them a great choice for new investors who want to see their money grow with minimal risk. Next, we have stocks. When you buy stock in a company, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company. If the company does well, the value of your stock can go up, and you can make money. Stocks can be a bit more unpredictable, but they also offer the potential for higher returns over time. Many apps now let you buy fractional shares, so you don't need a lot of money to get started. Another popular option is index funds. Think of an index fund like a basket of stocks that tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500. When you invest in an index fund, you're spreading your money across hundreds of different companies, which can reduce your risk. Index funds are known for their low fees and steady growth, making them a favorite among both beginners and experienced investors who want to build wealth gradually. Finally, we have ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. ETFs are similar to index funds in that they offer diversification, but they trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. This means you can buy and sell them throughout the day, just like regular stocks. ETFs come in many varieties, so you can choose ones that match your interests or goals, whether that's technology, clean energy, or the overall market. With these easy options, you can start investing with confidence and watch your money grow over time. With so many options, how do you choose the right one for you? Well, it all depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and how much time you have to manage your investments. If you're looking for a safe and easy option with low risk, a high-yield savings account could be a good choice. If you're comfortable with a bit more risk and want the potential for higher returns, stocks, index funds, or ETFs might be a better fit. Remember, it's always a good idea to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing in anything. And if you're not sure where to start, don't be afraid to talk to a financial advisor. Ready to make your first investment? Awesome! Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, choose an online brokerage account. There are tons of great options out there like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Look for one with low fees and an easy-to-use platform. Next, open your account. This usually involves filling out some basic information and linking your bank account. Then, fund your account. You can start with just $120 or add more if you'd like. After that, choose your investment. Decide whether you want to invest in a high-yield savings account, stocks, an index fund, or an ETF. Finally, make your purchase. Once you've chosen your investment, simply enter the amount you want to invest and click Buy. Congratulations, you're officially an investor. Now what? Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick. The key is to be patient, stay consistent, and keep learning. Here are a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Only invest money you won't need for at least 5 years. Next, don't try to time the market. No one can predict what the market will do in the short term. Also, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing is one of the best ways to build wealth over time. So, start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome financial tips.